The East African Rift, ERS. The splitting of a continent. The East African Rift, ERS, began forming around 22 to 25 million years ago and is considered an extension of the Great Rift Valley, which stretches northward into the Middle East. This rift system is gradually tearing Africa apart into two separate tectonic plates. The Somali Plate to the east, and the Nubian Plate to the west. This ongoing continental breakup is reshaping the geography of Africa, and scientists believe it may eventually lead to the birth of a new ocean. The Rift System. The East African Rift consists of three microplates. The Victoria Microplate in the north, the Rovuma Microplate, and the Luandel Microplate in the south. Interestingly, the Victoria Microplate rotates in the opposite direction compared to the larger African plate, creating complex tectonic interactions. The rift extends thousands of kilometers, branching into two main arms. The Western Branch, running through the African Great Lakes region, and the Eastern Branch, connecting toward the Gulf of Aden and the Red Sea. Understanding plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is the scientific study of the Earth's lithosphere and its dynamic movements. The East African Rift is one of the most striking examples of continental rifting, where tectonic plates move away from each other. Currently, the African continent is splitting into two, the Somali Plate and the Nubian Plate, drifting in opposite directions. This process mirrors the ancient breakup of the supercontinent Pangaea, which gave rise to the Atlantic Ocean. If this divergence continues, countries such as Ethiopia, Uganda, and Zambia could one day border a new ocean, fundamentally altering Africa's geography. Evidence of the rift. Geological surveys and modern satellite imagery provide strong evidence of this continental breakup. Although the rift is evolving slowly, with plates moving at an average rate of about 7 mm (0.2 inches) per year, the changes over millions of years will be profound. At present, the rift exists as a series of highlands and valleys, but over time the land will thin, sink, and eventually allow seawater to flood in, giving birth to a new ocean basin, with Somalia at its edge. Geological and environmental impacts. Earthquakes and volcanoes. The divergence of the Somali and Nubian plates increases seismic activity and volcanic eruptions. Many of Africa's largest lakes, including Victoria, Tanganyika, and Malawi, lie along fault zones where the new ocean is expected to emerge. Climate change impacts. The formation of the rift also influences regional climate. Some scientists suggest it may play a role in shifting rainfall patterns, contributing to droughts and reduced rainfall in parts of East Africa. A continent in transformation. The East African Rift is not a myth or speculation, it is a scientific reality unfolding beneath our feet. Though the process will take millions of years, Africa is slowly being reshaped, and one day a vast new ocean may split the continent in two.